All right, denoising inside of Blender. How do you do it? Well, first off, let's go here to our edit, preferences. Let's head on over to system right here and make sure you have Optix turned on. And with your NVIDIA RTX card, we're gonna turn that on right there. Super important. Now, let's head over to this little camera icon and we are going to go ahead and right here where it says denoising, right here, turn on Optix and click viewport. And that is gonna give you really quick, really fast viewport denoising. The RTX cards make this stuff lightning fast. Now, when we actually go to finally render that, how do you denoise that? Because it's gonna look even better than this denoising. First, you're gonna wanna click on this little cards looking icon and click on denoising data. We're gonna go over here to the compositor and set up a couple nodes. So first off, Shift A, search, and we're gonna get our viewer node. We're gonna plug that, put the image right into there, and then holding down Shift and right click, we're gonna do that. So now we do have our image. Let's go ahead and get in the denoising node. So Shift A, search, denoise right there. And we're gonna use the noisy image output. When we turned on the denoising data, we got a bunch of new options here. So plug image into image, normal into normal, albedo into albedo, and we'll plug image straight into here. So now you won't see anything happening. We're gonna go ahead and re-render this and we're gonna check out the final render. And here we go, we now have a beautiful final render boosted by Optix.